Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to achieve a flawless foundation, easy and fast. So first off, since I have dry skin, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. And then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I'm going to dot it all over my face. Then I'm taking the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and I'm gonna be dabbing the sponge on my face, like bouncing it on my face so I can blend out the foundation. And I'm gonna blend it down towards my neck because I want to try and match my face and my neck. And after that, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm applying this under my eyes. I'm applying it like in a triangle shape. That's how I like to highlight my face. Also, I'm applying it on my forehead, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. I want my face to have some light, some brightness, so this is how I like to highlight my face. Again, I'm using the Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend everything out. I do use it wet just in case if I apply too much product, the sponge is gonna absorb the extra product I apply on my face. After that, I take my Spun translucent powder and I'm gonna bake my under eyes and also under my contour. I also like to take a big fluffy brush and tap the powder on my face and then buff it out just to set my foundation, because if I don't do that, whenever I apply my contour, it starts looking patchy and muddy and it's hard to blend. After I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take my NYX Contour Pro and Highlight palette, something like that, and I'm gonna take my Sigma F40 brush and I'm gonna again like tap the product on my face. This contour, I apply it the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my temples, and my jawline, and I blend everything out. I also like to use the same brush to contour my nose. I like to go from my eyebrow down to my nose, and I'll be showing you in a minute how I blend everything out. Now, like you see here, I am baking under my contour. Now I'm taking this Tarte Party blush. This is such a beautiful shade, and I'm applying it on top of my contour and also on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm buffing out the translucent powder under my eyes, and I went from side to side to help me blend my nose contour. Now I'm also buffing the baking that I did under my contour, and I'm like buffing it upwards just to help out and blend everything together. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. mist. I like to use this one because it gives that glowy look to my face. Now I'm taking the Becca times Jaclyn Hill collaboration. This is the Champagne Pop highlight. I'm applying it on my tear duct, my brow bone, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, on top of my eyebrows, and my cupid's bow. I know it's a lot of places, but I like to highlight like this just to give that extra oomph to my face. And this is how I do my foundation routine during the winter. I like to be glowy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. Mwah.